A little donkey sauce and those things are ready to go.
Burger Show is back, baby.
This is straight up porn to me.
Bring on the burgers!
Get ready for another season of classic burgers.
By definition, a burger has to be ground beef cooked somehow, served on bread, and that's it.
All right, I like that. Not just 3 little stupid meatballs on a bad brioche bun.
Classic LA burgers to me are like pretty simple with like one defining feature.
Those are the things I used to say about boyfriends when I was dating.
Comedic shenanigans.
That cheese is melting so pretty. I want to shove that fucking burger in my mouth.
Just you and me tonight,
Late
burger.
nights alone, head the drive-through.
American cheese. I didn't have a say in this. Raccoon fajita is his specialty, I heard. Texas, baby.
Texas, baby.
And hitting the road with everyone's favorite burger daddy, the Motz Man.
This burger is unlike anything you'll ever see. Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, that's good.
That's like some stoner burger right there.
That's fucking good.
Boom.
The Burger Show, Season 5.
All right, baby. That's good. That's 2 baby tomorrow, baby. What are you gonna do?